Welcome to the basics of a startup sole proprietor. We will delve into the foundation of starting a business on your own. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means to be a sole proprietor and the steps to start one. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now let's define a sole proprietorship. It's the simplest business structure wherein a single individual owns and runs the business. This individual receives all the profits but also bears all the losses. Let's explore some statistics to put things into perspective. Nearly 3 out of 4 businesses in the United States start out as sole proprietorships. Sole proprietorships make up about 73% of all American businesses, yet they account for only 4% of business revenues. To start a sole proprietorship, here are some basic steps. Choose a business name. Ensure it's unique and not already in use. Register your business name, if required by your state. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Our organization can take care of this for you. Depending on the nature of your business and where it's located, specific licenses might be required. Open a separate bank account for your business. Keeping personal and business finances distinct is crucial for tax and accounting purposes. Advantages of a sole proprietorship include simplicity and ease of setup, complete control over the business decisions, and direct claim to all profits. But there are also some drawbacks to be aware of. Personal liability. If your business has debts or gets sued, your personal assets can be at risk. Difficulty in raising capital. Unlike corporations, you can't sell stock in your business. Potentially higher tax rates. All business income is considered personal income. It's important to note that in a sole proprietorship, there's no legal distinction between the owner and the business. That means you report business income and losses on your personal tax return. Insurance is also a vital consideration. Since personal liability is a significant concern, many sole proprietors opt for liability insurance to protect personal assets from potential business-related lawsuits. Remember, while the sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business structure, it's essential to weigh the benefits against the drawbacks. With 73% of all American businesses choosing this route, it's a popular option, but not without its challenges. Always do thorough research and consider seeking guidance from professionals before making your decision. If you need more information about how to get your sole proprietorship off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a specific one that you need more information about? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.